Those planes don't get off the ground and fly. There is no mission. My job is to make sure those aircrafts are able to get off the ground, go out there and complete the mission, and return back. There was an issue noted with the compressor valve on the number 4, which required the engine change.
Basically, we had to change the engine because of a high vibe scenario that we couldn't get to go away. So basically, we just had to change out the engine rather than going through and bore scoping the entire thing. It's just like a sense of accomplishment in a way that something came in not working and you were able to get it working, whether you didn't know what was wrong with it or you knew exactly what was wrong with it. Either way, you got to make the plane FMC again and make it fly.
You feel one with the aircraft and with the aircrew because of the closeness that you work, with the aircraft and with the aircrew and making sure the mission takes place. Yeah, we've had a great success rate here, Al Udeid, enjoying it day by day. Just looking forward to the rest of the mission.